Hey guys, I got a couple little small packages, so I thought that I would go ahead and share them. Let's see what we have here. All right, so I saw these little stamps on Amazon, and they were pretty cheap. They were like $5.99, I think. I saw someone else, another YouTuber, that had some ink bottles, and so that's how she um swatches her inks. And I thought that that was a good idea, so I went and I searched for ink bottle stamps, and I do have those coming, but I guess they'll probably be coming in a couple of days. But I also saw these. So, you know, once you search for one thing, they recommend other things. And so I ended up getting like 3 different stamp sets. But this one is the one with fountain pens and stuff like that. A couple of ink blotches. And I thought this would be cute. Like you can journal with this and stuff. So I picked that one up. Like I said, I think it was like $6 and something. Not bad. All right, and then let's see what's in here. Oh, okay. So here is another one. All right, so shoot, you can hardly see this one. Let's see. Let's check it out. Now this one seemed like it's a little more like a little higher quality than the one that I just picked up. Okay, let's see if you so this has, I thought that this would be really cute. This came up as one of the recommended things as well, and I thought that this would be really neat for like New Year's celebration. I already did my New Year's page, but I still need to scrapbook something for my for my for my beginning page, because I don't know, I'm struggling with that one. It's just a blank page. So anyway, but this would be cute for that. And then when you want to document, like if you go out for drinks or something like that. Let's see if you can see this a little bit better. All right. And then let's see, time to drink champagne and dance on the table. That's cute. And then this says just for you. So you could, you know, make a cute tag out of this. Very cute. It's wine o'clock party. I like this. So I think I paid like 6 something for this one too. And I will try to link them below if anybody's interested. All right, so that's that. And then I got this in today. So let's take a look at this. I'm sure this is some probably some fountain pens. I got a couple of orders coming in. All right. And then I'm gonna try to be dormant for a while on the fountain pen thing, really. Okay, so let's take a look. Whoops. Oh, that's neat. I thought this was my invoice, but look at that. Isn't that neat? I got a handwritten thank you note. I like it a lot. All right, and so let's see. This is from Penworld. Okay, so I just was looking around and I found this company. I don't think I've ever seen anybody unbox from this company, but when I was searching for good prices on certain pens, I'm sorry, I stopped because I see a book here and I'm like, I know I didn't order that, did I? I don't know if that's part of a gift set or something, but let's take a look. That's interesting. I don't remember that being part of my order. And I'm sure they don't give books like this. But anyway, let's take a look together. But look how cute that is. Look how cute they packaged my order. So I'm liking this already. All right, so let's take, I wonder if I can slip this off, because that is going to go in my my scrapbook. I like this. Okay. It's like getting a present. All right. So there we go. And then they give you all these lemon balls or something. That's neat. All right. So I will try that later. And this is their information. Penworld. All right. So let's take a look at this. I'm not going to save this paper, so I'm just going to rip it up. All right, let's take a look. Yay, this is one of the pens I'm really looking forward to. So I think this is the one, I bought it first. And then I found another pen that is in this set. But it was like $100 cheaper. I picked it up after I bought this. So let's take a look. But this was on sale. Ooh, let's see. Let's see how we... Oh, open it upside down? Oh, yeah. I'm opening it upside down. So, this is my Van Gogh pen from Visconti. And let's just take a minute to appreciate this box. So this, you already know that this is a high quality item, because yeah, just the box. And this definitely is going to be saved. All right. Oh, look at that. Oh, I did see somebody unbox one of these, and they were talking about this envelope at the top. And so, but it's been a while since I saw it, and so I forgot about that. So, I have another pen coming. Because after I bought this one, I found another one. It's a different one, but I found another one that's in this series for $100 cheaper. That was I was trying to tell you. Okay. And we get the pen, and we get, oh wow, this is some high quality paper here. Very, very nice. So that is the name of the pen. All right. And then this is the ink that's going to come with it. It's very pretty. So this is 30 milliliters. And then let's appreciate the pen. You know, let me see. I thought this came in a little plastic, but so this is one of those magnetic pens. Oh, it's so pretty. All right. So let's take a look at all of this. Isn't that gorgeous? So that's the Visconti label. And then we have the brand on there. Very, very nice. And then let's appreciate the artwork. Now, this is gorgeous, but I'm gonna be honest, I'm a little disappointed that it doesn't. I thought it was going to have that shimmering effect. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's just stunning, but I did think it was gonna come with that shimmering effect, but it didn't. But I'm not. I said I was disappointed. I'm just, but not really. You know, I'm still. I love it. I guess I'm more surprised that it didn't have that shimmering effect, but I guess they didn't want to mess with his art, right? So, because this is in tribute to Vincent van Gogh, I guess. So, all right. So let's take a look at the pen and the nib. Very, very nice. It's going to be nice to hold. And I tend to like to keep my caps on. So, and it is not heavy at all, in my opinion. And look at that. How beautiful is that? And then, let's see. Oh, it's got something on the side. It's got the Visconti name. I'm surprised I can see that. I don't have my readers on. But this is just stunning. All right. And then we'll take a look. All right. And we got, let's see, is there something that looks to be something on the converter? Some kind of design, which I can't see right now. But it's gorgeous. And then I don't have to wonder what ink I'm going to put in it. That has been taken care of for me. All right. And so that is the pen, guys. I'm really happy. So I have a different one that's coming in this series, and then there was one I tried to cancel, so I'm not sure if it's gonna show up. So, but anyway, and I don't think, no, there's nothing under here. All right, so one more time we'll take a look in all its majesty. It's just so pretty. Oh, and then what is this book? So let's see. I don't know. Is this advertisement or what? Does it come with the pen? I doubt it. I don't remember reading anything about this, or nobody else has talked about this, so I don't guess it comes with the pen. Wow, I guess this is advertisement, but wow. Isn't that nice? And expensive. This is high quality paper here. And in a book format. So, I guess if you buy these type of pens, they think you're gonna really spend some money. So, you get targeted with this beautiful booklet, but they miscalculated because I'm cheap. All right, so this is all I had to share. So I have already gotten my Grail pens now, but maybe one day, once they're trying to get rid of them, maybe I'll get one of those. But I am in no hurry. I am good right now. All right. So I thought that I would share that with you guys. I will talk to you later. Bye.